Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write on signs in Hytale, and I will also explain what's currently possible in the early access, what's not, and the best workarounds that you can use right now. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So right now in Hytale early access, you can't actually type the text on signs. So this is not a bug and it is not your game glitching. It is simply a feature that hasn't been enabled yet. So here is what signs do currently. You can, with the help of it, craft signs and place them like a normal block. But when you place a sign, it stays blank. If you try to interact with it, nothing happens. No keyboard pop-up, no edit menu, no input box. It's purely a decorative object right now. So a lot of players thinks that there is a hidden keybind or a setting that you need to turn on, but there isn't. No right click trick or no special tool, no menu. It's just not in the game yet. Even though you can't write, you can still use signs smartly for building. And here are some of the workarounds that I would like to mention. Like you can place signs as markers outside of your farm, storage, and base entrance. You can use different sign positions to guide the pathways. You can also sign as the placeholders. So when the text feature drops, you already know what you want labeled. Now you can also pair signs with the blocks or the lighting to create the visual labeling. And if you ask, is the sign text coming? So yes, sign writing is expected to be added later. Most likely it will work like other sandbox games where you interact with the sign and you type the text. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.